How to post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. First of all, launch your Instagram application on your device. Log in and sign into the particular account. And then from your home screen or from your profile feed, you can simply select the center bottom plus button. Then you will land on the section where you need to select multiple icon at top right corner of the screen. And from here, you can easily select more than 10 pictures on Instagram and then tap on the next button. So we have already reached the 11 pictures. So select the next icon at top right corner of the screen. Now you have landed on the section where you can easily customize every pictures one by one. You can either enter the filters, add text, you can also add the filters, music and many more to each one of the pictures and then select the next button at bottom right corner of the screen. Make sure before doing all this step you update your application. It's not necessary that this feature is applicable to every regions around the world. If it is not available on your region, then you need to wait until Instagram rolls out the update for your region as well. Now here you can write a caption or add a poll, add location, tag people and many more and tap onto your button and it will be posted on the Instagram. So that is how we easily post more than 10 pictures on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.